Let me show you. So here's two examples. This is the current industry solution that uses two extruders. And one of the challenges is that when one extruder is printing, the other drips, and it leads to some quality issues. We invented a fundamentally new technology that just uses one extruder and is able to print with multiple colors. And because it's just using one nozzle, you get this amazing quality that really just can't be beat.
You mentioned 4 colors, so I imagine it's 4 filaments that go into your machine, and then it fuses them and turns in one strand?
Exactly. Out of the pallet comes a single strand like this. As you can see, it's just a single filament, but it's made of 2 segments. Some is black, some is white. So it'll make a multi-component filament like this with up to 4 colors, feeds it into the nozzle that's already on your 3D printer, meaning that your printer now can print in 4 colors.
Is it just colors that can differentiate between the filaments, or can you also use different types of filaments, different diameters, or even different materials?
So we try and focus. We focus on multicolor to do that really well. It's 1.75 millimeter filament, but within the PLA family of filaments, there's carbon fiber reinforced filament, magnetic, electrically conductive. We can handle all of that. So you can do some crazy functional prints.
Does that then change the temperature from the extruder, because then you have to change temperature for the next level, and all that has to be synchronized, right?
Totally. We try and keep it really simple. So in as many areas as possible, we leverage the current 3D printing workflow. Most PLAs print at a very similar temperature, so that is one limitation, is that all the materials you're using together must be printed at the same temperature.
Got it. So walk me through that workflow, right? Yeah. So if I design something, I've sliced it, normally I would send that directly, put it on an SD card and put it on the printer. What now? What is the process of going through pallet?
So exactly, like you said, something like this, you'd get your model, you'd slice it, and you'd print it. For something like this, the multicolor version, very similar. You take your models, one model represents each color in the model, bring it into your slicer and slice, and then you bring it into Mosaic's free software. You bring it in, you hit one button, it's super simple, and out pops 2 files. One goes to palette with all the color information, one goes to the printer with all the printing information, and because it's the same file, it lets them sync up and print together.
What do you think, is it possible in the future for you guys to develop software that allows you to build one model and just color code, 4 different colors for 4 different types of filament?
Absolutely. Mosaic Manufacturing is focused on making multi-material 3D printing easier, and it's not just going to stop at the hardware. We want to make that experience that it's as easy as just downloading a model, hitting print, and it takes care of all that for you, so certainly.
Where are you guys right now in terms of the product and shipping?
So it's cool. We were here a year ago, right after we finished a successful Kickstarter campaign. We've now shipped the product. Sales are amazing. It's really exciting to see how many people want this product. And what we're working on next is a direct integration. 3D printer manufacturers have come to us and said, this solution works, I can't think of anything better. They want to be building it right into their 3D printers. So we're working on finding the right partners. And I think what you're going to see is in 2017, 3D printers are going to be shipping with this technology built right into them, meaning they're going to be 4-color printers, which is what we're really excited about.